Sobrang kong galing, sobrang kong lamig. Kaya na. Again, what you say about this?
The dam, 25 years old, only 2 times is full and the water is fall out. And I think so this year, end of the winter, I hope so to fall and you see that. Thank you very much.
46 years daw na siya dito. 2 times lang daw. 46 years. It's okay, that sounds. I don't have some. 46 years na daw ang kanya na.
120 million.
Ayan yung damo.
Inside water.
Yun na nga daw, guys. Sa tanda niya na ito daw, 46 years old din. 2 beses lang niya nakitang full ang dam. Ito nga ngayon full, tsaka last year. That's in 2012, you say. 2012 is full, ha? Last
2 times only.
2 times only. And everybody, 100,000 people come to see that.
200,000.
200,000.
For all the side.
For all the Cyprus.
It's 1 million, sir.
It's 1 million. Ano sa Trodos, tingnan niyo, ayun na yung...
Church,
the church.
The church in the top there.
Never I saw this church. Look, tingnan niyo yung fog sa taano, ayun o. Doon sa bundok na yun, yung itim. Ayan po yung Trodos, kaya lang nawala yung ano yung...
Santa Maria.
No, we have like this in
the mountain. See there? To the right.
Church. We have like this so much very how you say this very high in Mount Samar, Bataan, in a Fejiro place. Have like this. You can see only cross. Ayan guys, kasi ayun yung nakita niyo maulap na yun. Eagle. Ayun na eagle daw. May eagle. Ay, ang ganda ng eagle. Nakita niyo yung ano guys, papuntang bundok ng Sierra Madre, charot. Anong Trodos po, last year po kasi, ganito po 24, tapos 25, dito kami sa bundok. White Christmas po talaga po, snow. Everywhere is snow dito pa lang sa umpisa na to. Pero ngayon po dahil sa umulan, tunawang snow. Umulan na, inulan na po kami. At nilito naman. Sayang, last year po White Christmas talaga kami. Sayang na inulan eh. Kaya ito, binili itong sasakyan na ito para nga sa pag-akyat namin sa bundok ng Isner. Bilis naman niya magpatakbong, kaya lang ulan. Saka gumagana. Parang kabuti, ganon.
Water now, it goes down.
Okay.
Go down.
Go down, go down. Of course, this is waiting for the water. Drinking water everywhere, even my country like that. Go to the dam, and if the dam is full, they will release. You know, have accident.
Water is full. That's me. We have everything, okay, food. The summer cheap water.
Okay.
Understand? If you don't have and you pay expensive water, for example, is 35 cents. Maruli is 45. You understand? Because these men who have their body, you buy the water more expensive.
More expensive. Double, huh?
And no give for all the water for necessary.
Okay, I understand. And my daddy too much water.
For example, strawberry before is €3 one packet. About 30 strawberry. 10 cents each.
Ah,
If no have water
ah,
and no have too much in the dam,
then,
it's €5. It's more expensive because the government is saying the water more expensive. Sta feeling no great.
grapes, ayan, grapes naman.